In this part of the country, the sea is wide. The field is vast. Who needs a toilet?
Sa bukid sir, moral to bukid una ato may malibang na gabi ari baybay, wa may ikapalit og ng CR kay lisod man kasanan.
When Jose Monleon became head of his own family of 8 children and 28 grandchildren, a toilet was the last thing on his mind.
Yan ra kay wa kini mahimo, nagagwanta lang pangita ginagba sa among kapingang kapalit og gibugas. Among bahay na sir, wa gay atok nuban, wa na atok man gatong way palit. May kapalit og kuan yang kasilyas para kalibangan. Tungas ka mong kalisod.
Like many other fathers in this coastal village of Behia in Kawayan, Masbate, Tatay Jose puts expenses on food, shelter and school first before anything else. Building a toilet for the family is understandably not a priority. But without an improved toilet facility, health of family members, especially children, is compromised.
Halos ang yung mga angry sa ilang edad kuan, more than 1 year pa 3 years, yung mga bata nagkaroon ng diarrhea.
Nagkasakit sikit og diarrhea sa tiyan-tiyan, kaya murag gisakitan bitaw sila sa ilang tiyan, kaya murag tubig na ang iyang gikalibang, nakuyawan ko. Kaya gitaray na ako sila sa Kanaan District kay murag basig delikado na ba nga.
When any family member gets sick, the toll on the family is very telling. They spend what little they have to get well. They spend their time too, away from work, to attend to the sick. But when Cayetano Humawas decided to build a toilet for his own family, health was not the primary motivation.
Para hindi po kami mahirapan ng pagtae po ng gabi. Tagal na po nangarap yung aking mga anak magkaroon po na sila ng CR. Ito pong bagong naman CR gawa. Hindi po nga natapos gawa ng hirap sa budget. Kayari pa lang po ng kahit kaunti, pwede na rin magamit, hindi po natatapos.
Other parents like Maria Rosa de Pito had other reasons.
Nagpabihot ko og CR kay para nabi ta mi umaabot nga bisita. Nya kada Sabado lang gid ang pagbuhat kay ang panday na bitay gitrabaho nga balay. Dalipay ko nga ko yung CR. Komportable na mi kalibangan.
With the help of local leaders, health workers and agencies like the Department of Health, World Bank and UNICEF, parents are encouraged to abandon the practice of open defecation and have an improved toilet facility for their families through the community-led Total Sanitation or CLTS approach.
Kailangan po kasi talagang makita nila kung gaano, tsaka maamoy nila kung gaano kabaho at gaano kadumi. Kumbaga, kailangan ma-realize ng tao na doon sa dumi nila, doon din sila nakakakuha ng sakit.
Disgust and shame are feelings triggered by this encounter. People then are moved to collectively take action and realize the important role of improved sanitation in their lives.
Oy, kung gabi na magbatyag kami ng magtae dyan, tatakbo kami doon sa malayo. Natakutan ko lang baka may ahas. Mga apo ko kung nga punta dito. O, baka magkalat-kalat naman dyan sa kwandi, marumi naman. Ang langaw, matupa sa pagkain. Di yan ang iniisip ko na talaga magdesisyon kami mag-asawa na maggawa kami ng kasilyas.
2, 3, go! Kung ako ang maulo sa kubita, kung ako ang maulo sa kubita.
Local leaders may find it uncomfortable to embrace sanitation as a priority program. But improved sanitation is a critical building block in progressive communities. And it goes beyond giving toilet bowls.
Noong una nagpagawa kami ng mga sanitary bowl na kung saan binibigay yon sa mga bahay-bahay. Kaya lang ang napansin namin, nung nag-iikot kami, nakita namin na ginagawang itlogan ng manok, hindi nagiging effective, nasasayang yung pera na binibigay sa amin ng NGO sa kanang gobyerno.
If we would be able to sustain this sanitation programs, we would be attracting investors, that is with respect to our local economy. Second, the people are already clinging to the modern living, if we may say it that way.
Dumadami yung tinatawag natin yung productive side ng mga tao, lalo na yung mga nanay or mga tatay, saka yung mga anak. Pag hindi nagkakasakit yung mga anak, hindi apektado yung panghahanap buhay ng ating mga nanay at tatay.
In this part of the country, the sea is wide. The field is vast. And when leaders, fathers and mothers understand the role the toilet can bring to their families and communities, their hope for a healthier, brighter future becomes limitless too.